This video will discuss the procedure to replace the rear wiper blade insert on a 2017 Acura MDX using a genuine Honda Acura blade insert. The part number is 76622TZ5A01. Initially, I placed a towel on the glass to prevent potential damage in the event the blade arm might accidentally strike the glass, causing potential damage. For the rear wiper blade insert, it's not necessary to remove the entire blade assembly to replace the insert. To remove the blade, simply hold the top end of the rubber and gently maneuver it out of the clips. There will be a little bit of resistance. However, once it's exiting the clip assemblies, it should go rather smoothly. Next, remove the new blade insert from the packaging and examine it against the old one. Ensure that both are identical. The next step is to remove the two corrosion-resistant stainless steel flexors from the old blade insert and install them into the new blade insert. Note that the rear wiper blade insert does not have built-in stoppers like the front passenger and the front driver. So these are relatively easy to install, and you can install the blade either way. There is no top or bottom. Once the two corrosion-resistant stainless steel flexors are snugly installed in the new blade insert, clean off the blade assembly, ensuring no debris. Then gently maneuver the new blade insert onto the existing assembly. Be gentle and ensure that each clip is snugly installed. Check your work on both sides, the top and bottom, of the blade assembly. One problem that often occurs in the blade installation is that the clip rides over the rubber directly onto the corrosion-resistant stainless steel flexor. If this happens, simply nudge the rubber onto the clip with your fingernails. This typically solves the problem rather quickly. Finally, remove the towel and gently set the blade arm against the glass. The job is complete. If you found this video to be helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.